Hello students, welcome to a new math session. Today we'll be talking about dividing algebraic expressions by a monomial. How do we do this? We do this by dividing the terms of the expression by the monomial. Let's see an example to see how are we going to divide this. In this example, the question wants us to divide 4a squared plus 6a all divided by 2a. So, to find the result, we divide every part in the algebraic expression by the monomial. So 4a squared multiplied by 2a and then plus 6a divided by the 2a. 4a divided by 2a, this is 2a, and then 6a over 2a is 3. Exercise number 1. Divide 24y power 3x squared minus 20y squared x power 3 by 4x squared y squared, where xy is not equal to 0. How can we do this? Every and each term in the algebraic expression will be divided by the monomial. So here, 24y power 3x squared will be divided by the monomial 4x squared y squared minus 20y squared x cubed over 4x squared y squared. To answer this one, 24 divided by 4 is 6, and then y cubed over y squared is y, x squared over x squared is 1. So in the other one, 20 divided by 4 is 5, y squared and y squared are crossed out together, x power 3 over x power 2 is x. Exercise number 2. Divide 21a squared b power 4 minus 28b squared a power 4 by 7a squared b squared, where xy not equal to 0. So we're going to take each term in the algebraic expression, we divide it by the monomial. So it's 21a squared b power 4 divided by 7a squared b squared. 21 divided by 7 is 3. A squared and a squared are crossed out together. B power 4 over b power 2 is b squared. Same thing in the other one. 28 divided by 7 is 4. B squared and b squared are crossed out together. A power 4 over a power 2 is a squared. Exercise number 3. If the area of rectangle 12xy squared plus 4x squared y and its width is equal to 4xy, how can we find the length of this rectangle? So as we know that the area is the length by the width, so to find the length of this rectangle, we're going to take the area divided by the width. So this represents the area and this represents the width. So it will be 12xy squared plus 4x squared y divided by 4xy. We'll take every part, we'll divide it by the monomial. 12 divided by 4 is 12, x over x is nothing, or it's 1. Y squared over y is y. Same thing in here. 4 divided by 4 is 1. X squared over x is x. Y over y, they're crossed out together. Then the question wants me to find the numerical value if you substitute x by 3 and y by 5. So it will be 3 times 5 plus 3, which is 18 centimeters, and that's the length of the rectangle. Let's go now to exercise number 4. Find the quotient of each of the following. How can we do this one? It's 26x squared divided by 2x plus 14x power 4 divided by 2x. 26 over 2, that's 13. X squared over x is x. Plus 14 divided by 2 is 7. X power 4 over x is x power 3. Question 2. It will be 18m to the power of 4 divided by negative 2m squared plus 32m squared divided by negative 2m squared. 18 over negative 2, that's negative 9. M power 4 of m power 2 is m power 2. 32 divided by negative 2, that's negative 16. And then the m squared and the m squared are crossed out together. Question 3, it's 9 L power 3 m power 4 divided by 3L m squared minus 18 L m squared over 3L m squared. 9 divided by 3 is 3. L cubed divided by L is L squared m squared minus 6. The two L's are crossed out together. The m squared and m squared are crossed out also together. Exercise number 5, choose the correct answer. Here in this one, we're going to make x squared over x plus x over x. So x squared over x is x, plus x over x is 1. So for question 1, the right answer is choice D. For question 2, 15a divided by 5 plus 5 divided by 5. So it is 3a plus 1. So the right answer here is choice C. Question 3, same thing, same way, 15x power 4 over 5x power 3 plus 5x power 3 over 5x power 3. So in here, 15 over 5 is 3, x power 4 over x power 3 is x, plus 5x power 3 over 5x power 3 is 1. So the right answer for question 3 is choice C. Let's now move on to the evaluation part. If the symbols in the following expressions are non-zero numbers, find the quotient in each case. Let's answer question 1 together. 5a over 5 minus 10 over 5. So the result here will be a minus 2. Question 2, 4a squared over 2a plus 6a over 2a. 4a squared over 2a, that's 2a, plus 6a over 2a, it is 3. Question 3, it will be 12a squared b divided by 4ab plus 20 ab squared divided by 4ab. Then here 12 over 4 it's 3, and then a squared over a and b are crossed out together, plus 20 over 4 it's 5, and then the a's are crossed out together, and here is 1b. Question 4, 16 a power 3 b squared divided by 4 a squared b minus 24 a squared b squared divided by 4 a squared b. So the final result, 16 over 4 it's 4, a power 3 over a squared is a, b squared over b is b, minus 24 over 4 is 6, a squared over a squared is nothing or crossed out together, b squared over b is b. Dear students, by finishing the evaluation part, we came to the end of our session. Thank you very much and wishing you best of luck.